It's strawberry season! It's my favorite season of all! So I was walking through Trader Joe's. You guys know how much I love Trader Joe's. Some might call it an obsession. It's just my love language. And I spotted this awesome strawberry basil dressing. Insert picture here. And I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Great, I pick it up, I look at the back, and I was a little disappointed. The amount of ingredients that were on the back and some of the questionable quality of the ingredients. So I decided I'm just gonna go home and make the exact same dressing with minimal ingredients and quality ingredients. This is Two Chefs Strawberry Basil Vinaigrette, not Trader Joe's. Okay, I took a picture of the back of the bottle and I'm gonna count how many ingredients is in their dressing versus ours. $25 ingredients. That's crazy. Okay, Trader Joe's, I see your 25 ingredient salad dressing and I raise you only 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going from 25 ingredients in a salad dressing to just 7. Some of the ingredients I read on there were a little questionable, and so I like to be able to come home and control the quality of my ingredients, especially my sweeteners and my oils. This is what I'm gonna build the dressing in, so you can just use, if you've got like any kind of tall measuring cup, and then I'm just gonna use my immersion blender, or you can just do it straight into a regular blender, whatever you got. I'm just gonna kind of rough cut these so that they'll go into the blender or your little cup here. I'm just like quartering them. And I had like 7 or 8 strawberries here, and depending on the size, I'll show you the actual measurement once I get these in here. We can see. It's about a cup.
Did you just say buttercup?
Butter stuff. It's about a cup. We're gonna zest and juice 1 lemon. Remember, only swipe once and turn it. You don't want the white, just the yellow. I'm just gonna cut this in half and juice the whole thing. Look at all these seeds, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of either white wine vinegar, I have a champagne vinegar, you could even use a red wine vinegar if you want, and some sea salt, or you could use Redmond's real salt. I'll probably start with a ½ teaspoon and just see where that gets us. Might have to adjust later, we'll see. Local raw honey, it's so good, it's local, it's raw. A teaspoon to start, and then again, we'll see. The strawberries are super sweet right now because they're in like peak season, so we hopefully don't need too much sweetener anyway, right? Last but not least, we need basil because the bottle said strawberry basil vinaigrette. So we're gonna use some blended in, and then I'll actually like chiffonade and chop up a little bit to just go in after, so we have a little texture contrast. I am gonna chop this a little bit, even though I'm putting it in with the blender, just cause, you know. I'm just gonna take a hefty tablespoon. I probably have 2 tablespoons here, so I'll just do 1 blended and then we'll stir the other one in after. Last but not least, we are going to slowly drizzle in with the blender running some avocado oil, and you can use olive oil. However, I like avocado oil because it is a very clean flavor, it's not strong, it's very versatile, it's like pretty much flavorless, so you can really just use it for any dressing. So we're probably gonna end up using about ½ cup to 3/4 cup of the avocado oil when we stream it in. All right, let's go, let's blend her up. I'm first gonna get this pureed a little and then we'll start drizzling in the oil. Look at that color. All right, we're gonna slowly stream in the avocado oil at a thin stream because we want it to emulsify. Look at this. Okay, so the basil did make it a little bit more of like a muted color, but it didn't turn it like brown or anything, so that's nice. It looks really beautiful. Now you're gonna have to taste it because we need to know if we need a little more sweet or a little more salt or a little more sour, depending on your palate or the ripeness of your berries. Okay, it's really good. Does need a little bit more honey. I think my lemon was really big, so it's a little tart, but that's an easy fix. We just add another little couple bloops of honey. Okay, it's like probably another teaspoon. Brian always makes fun of me because I say bloop as a measurement. Like bloop bloop. And we'll taste one last time. It's perfect. It's so good. So you can see that the basil still has like nice little pieces in here. They're really finely chopped from the blender, but they're beautiful in here like this. But if you do want a little extra texture and a little bit more of that fresh basil flavor, we can stir in a little bit of this chopped up stuff. I'm literally just eating it with a spoon. Look at how pretty this is. It's just glorious. So now you can just store it in an airtight container in your fridge, and it's good for at least a couple weeks. I mean, it won't last that long because you'll want it on every salad. It's so good. That's it, guys. 7 whole ingredients. And if you want to add a little extra black pepper or something, 8 ingredients. Whoa. Which is one of my favorite seasons, and it's just the best. That's all I got.
Do that again and just say it's strawberry season, and you know what that means.
No, it's just strawberry thing.
Okay, go for it. Do it again.
Okay. The back of the bottle, and I'm gonna count the ingredients. Oh my god. Oh, it's hard to hold this and do it. It's like really, this thing is possessed, babe.